If you're thinking about getting noise-canceling headphones, whether it's to stay focused while working from home, find some peace during your travel, or just have a moment to collect your thoughts, it's important that they really get the job done. The good news is that there are plenty of great options on the market right now, making it a pretty exciting time to consider an upgrade. So, these special headphones with noise cancellation have built-in microphones that pick up all the outside noise around you. Then, using fancy technology and clever audio processing, they create a kind of quiet sound that cancels out the noise in real time. That's why these headphones usually cost more than regular ones that don't have this noise-canceling feature. Today we review the best-performing ANC headphones on the market. Here goes our top recommendations. 5. Skullcandy Crusher ANC2 Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphone. The Skullcandy Crusher ANC2 wireless noise-canceling headphones emerge as a must-have for bass enthusiasts, offering an epic sonic experience with an irresistibly entertaining and easily customizable bass. The over-ear cans boast a distinctive feature, a rotating knob with excellent tactility, allowing users to adjust the bass level to their liking. This unique bass control adds a grin-inducing, fun dimension to the audio experience, creating a sensory adventure that rivals find hard to match. The low-range production of the Crusher control knob, especially at higher settings, brought an entirely new and enjoyable dimension to music tracks and significantly enhanced the enjoyment of action-packed video content and gaming. The headphone's ability to switch off the Crusher functionality transforms the sound into a more customizable, grown-up profile, tailored to individual hearing preferences. Notably, the Skullcandy Crusher ANC2 headphones excel not only in sound but also in reliable noise cancellation. While it may not reach the serenity levels of pricier competitors, it certainly contributes to an immersive listening experience. The design of the headphones and their storage case is toned down, skillfully concealing the playful nature and advanced functionality within. With compatibility with the extensive tile network of object tracking and an onboard platform supporting voice commands, the Crusher ANC2 headphones offer additional reasons to capture your attention. Although more color options would be a welcomed addition, the current offerings cater to those who appreciate a sleek and understated aesthetic. Key specifications include 40mm audio drivers, ensuring a powerful and dynamic sound experience. The headphones utilize Bluetooth 5.2 for advanced connectivity. One of the standout features is the impressive battery life, providing up to 50 hours of use, making the Skullcandy Crusher ANC2 a versatile choice for those seeking extended listening sessions without frequent recharging. 4. Beats Studio Pro Wireless Headphones. The Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones emerge as the go-to choice for Apple users, marking the long-anticipated successor to a legendary product that has graced shelves for over half a decade. Unveiling seamless integration with Apple hardware, these headphones align effortlessly with iPhones, iPads, and Macs that share the same iCloud account, offering instant connectivity akin to Apple's wireless earbuds and AirPods. Monitoring and locating the headphones are made easy through the Find My app on Apple devices. Once linked, the Studio Pro headphones provide an immersive spatial audio experience, personalized to each user's unique anatomy. Utilizing the True Depth camera on an iPhone, a face and ear scan creates a distinct sound profile, ensuring a next-level audio experience across all Apple devices. The Beats Studio Pro excels in audio quality and noise cancellation, living up to expectations commensurate with its price. Notably, Beats incorporates a digital-to-analog converter, enabling the headphones to deliver lossless audio over a USB-C wired connection. This feature is particularly convenient, allowing for direct control of playback and volume from the headphones. Available in black, deep brown, navy, and sandstone colors, the Studio Pro is not exclusive to iPhone users and seamlessly integrates with Android phones as well. While the luxurious AirPods Max presents an alternative for Apple hardware with distinctive design, enhanced control, and superior spatial audio featuring dynamic head tracking, the Studio Pro stands out for its longer battery life, more reliable storage case, and a considerably lower price point. Key specifications include 40mm audio drivers, with support for lossless audio over a wired connection. The use of Bluetooth 5.3 ensures advanced connectivity. With an impressive battery life of up to 40 hours, the Beats Studio Pro positions itself as a versatile and high-performing choice for Apple users seeking an immersive audio experience. 3. Bose QuietComfort 45 Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones. The Bose QuietComfort 45 wireless noise-canceling headphones represent a worthy successor to a renowned classic, boasting an expansive fan base. Recognized for their exceptional comfort, these headphones are deemed the most comfortable in this lineup. The lightweight construction, plush ear pads, strategically positioned button controls, stellar call quality, and, as expected from Bose, outstanding noise cancellation make them an excellent choice for extended periods of use, whether during long flights or work sessions. True to the Bose legacy, the QC45 headphones deliver an incredibly enjoyable and distinctive Bose sound, further enhanced by a recent firmware update that allows customization through a mobile app. It's worth noting, however, that other headphones in a similar price range may offer more comprehensive support for lossless and spatial audio, coupled with longer battery life. Available in triple black, white smoke, and a limited edition midnight blue finish, the QC45 wireless headphones not only prioritize comfort and performance but also showcase a timelessly cool design. The retail package includes a convenient storage case, along with bundled charging and audio cable, enhancing the overall user experience. Key specifications of the QC45 include proprietary acoustic architecture for a signature Bose sound experience. The Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity ensures a reliable and efficient connection. While the battery life is good, offering up to 24 hours of use, it's worth considering the trade-offs against competitors in terms of audio support and battery longevity. In summary, the Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones maintain the brand's reputation for top-tier sound, exceptional noise cancellation, and a comfortable fit, making them a compelling choice for users prioritizing comfort and performance. 2. Bose and Wilkins PX7S2 wireless headphones. The Bose and Wilkins PX7S2 wireless headphones. Positioned as a formidable rival, these headphones offer a distinctive fusion of leather, fabric, and metal in their construction, providing a more distinguished aesthetic at a comparable price point. Notably, the audio quality of the PX7S2 headphones is outstanding, placing them in the same league as their Sony counterpart. The design and build further contribute to their appeal, with tactile controls that enhance the overall user experience. While the PX7S2 headphones excel in various aspects, it's important to note that their noise cancellation may not achieve the same level of complete silence as the WXM5. Additionally, the ambient mode, while reliable, falls slightly short in comparison. However, for audio enthusiasts, the elaborate app tools for customizing the sound, coupled with the ability to deliver a more immersive 360 reality audio enhanced content on platforms like Amazon Music and Tidal, present compelling reasons to consider this Bose and Wilkins offer. Notably, all Bose and Wilkins headphones come with an extended 2-year warranty, surpassing that of their rivals, providing added peace of mind for users. Key specifications of the PX7S2 include 40mm audio drivers, ensuring a powerful and detailed sound experience. The incorporation of Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity guarantees a reliable and seamless connection. With a battery life of up to 30 hours, these headphones offer extended usage without compromising on performance, making them a noteworthy contender for those seeking premium wireless audio solutions. 1. Sony WH-1000X Mark V Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones. The Sony WH-1000X Mark V wireless noise cancelling headphones is the top choice for noise cancelling headphones in the market. This latest iteration from Sony continues the legacy of its excellent predecessor, the WH-1000X Mark IV, delivering an even more refined design and enhanced features. One of the standout features is the exceptional sound quality combined with effective noise cancellation, making these headphones a top performer in various scenarios. Whether you're immersed in music or engaged in a call, the WH-1000X Mark V headphones offer outstanding audio and call quality. The over-ear design strikes a perfect balance between a sleek appearance, lightweight construction, and top-notch ergonomics. Notably, the WH-1000X Mark V headphones boast a prolonged battery life, providing up to 30 hours of usage. The convenience is further emphasized by the fast USB-C charging capability, allowing for 3 hours of playback with just a 3-minute charge. This feature ensures that you stay connected to your music or calls without long waiting times for charging. While the touch controls may have a slight learning curve, the overall performance of these headphones is consistently impressive. The WH-1000X Mark V headphones have become a go-to choice, even with several other compelling alternatives available. The availability of color options, including silver, black, and blue, along with a matching storage case, adds a touch of customization. Each color variant, accompanied by its case, features gold accents, a distinctive hallmark of Sony's premium headphones and earbuds over the years. In terms of key specifications, the WH-1000X Mark V headphones are equipped with 30mm audio drivers and support high-res audio in both wired and wireless modes. The latest Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity ensures a reliable and seamless connection. With these features and more, the Sony WH-1000X Mark V stands out as a comprehensive and top-performing choice for those seeking the best in wireless noise-canceling headphones. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.